Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make P-letter logo design in Adobe Illustrator CC 204. First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's make it.
I'm sure I've seen you in my dreams. I'm feeling like in the first time we ever meet. You made the change slow, slow, just like slow rivers flow. Slow, I see the fire in your eyes. You make me feel it takes me high, so bring it on. On me, I know you know the only one who's watching me. When all the night stars glow, glow, we just slow, slow.